Welcome on stage.
Good afternoon, Lina.
Now, we've heard all about the Viera strategy, but I think we'd all like to see how it works. So what exciting demonstrations have you got lined up?
We prepared 3 demonstrations for you this afternoon. Some of them are words first. So maybe rather than a long talk, let's get some action, and I'll go to the demonstration now. So ladies and gentlemen, to give you a flavor of what smart Viera televisions will be, I'd like to introduce you now what we call the Viera Connect market. And what is Viera Connect market? Well, it's an application on our IPTV portal. You click with your remote control on the icon called Market, and that is the first virtual store from Panasonic. So that's a place where you can buy things. So you can buy software, or you can also buy hardware, for instance. So software is categorized by theme, so music, sports, or social networking. You can just, click on those applications, either pay for them, either some of them are free, and they will install on your TV. So you can really customize your television. Shopping, if I go in the shopping section, then here you can see, you can also buy hardware. For instance, the latest 3D glasses from Panasonic, 26 grams only, or game pads or keyboards, communication camera, well, everything you need to connect to your TV and to make your TV expand its features. If I go back to application, let's try to buy something. Okay, let's go through the purchase process, and I'll choose a game. So Asphalt 5, okay, released by our partner Gameloft. You can see the price here in the description, €4.99. So €4.99 to acquire that game, to buy it. So I click on it, and the system will ask me what is my PIN. So I have set up an account with my credit card. I click on continue, and now it will just summarize my order. So I'll see the price is €4.99, tax €0.80. So I'm clicking on purchase, and now the transaction will be set up. So the TV is communicating with the cloud server and initiating the transaction, so that I can play that game. I can then choose either to download it now, and when I say download, I can just download on an SD card, and then the SD card goes in the TV, or I can also choose to download later, so let's say later now. And now what you see, what's happening is on my home screen, here I have my game. So I just bought a game, and now it's becoming part of my environment. That's what Viera Market can provide. You probably also notice here that there's a new icon here for the people that are familiar with Viera Connect called Social TV. And that's quite interesting. There's been a tidal wave about social networking over the internet. Now the key question is, how to bring the two worlds together, how to bring the TV world broadcasting with social networking. I have an idea. Just follow me. I have something to show you. So here what you can see for the first time is an application, for instance, that runs on Twitter. It could run on other social networking application. And here this allows you to watch a television channel. So you can see here the window. You're watching a live television channel. So here it's sport channel or partner. And at the same time, you can read the threads. So the tweets that you decided to follow, they are appearing here, and you can live answer to them. So to do that, you need a Viera Connect television, and you need an input device. So here, for instance, keyboard, wireless keyboard, is quite practical. But we could also do it via iPad. And so let me try with iPad. iPad, by the way, also controls our TV's 2011 models, so I can also change the channels. So for instance, with my iPad, I'm watching the broadcast, I'm going on my Viera Connect portal, easy to use. And then what I'll do, I'll go on the social TV icon, here we go, I'm pushing, and this opens my social networking application. And then I can see the tweets. I can then go on the right side and select one tweet. For instance, somebody said, "Hello Mr. Roth, how are you today?" Okay. I'm fine, so I will say reply. This is all live, this is connected to the internet, so we're using servers. So I will say, I'm fine. That's what I'm typing in here. I'm fine, okay? And then we say done. And now you can see a small flag updated timeline. That means that my tweet has been sent to the cloud server via the internet, and all the people in the world that are following this thread are able to see that tweet. That is the power of social networking within television. And if you really want to enjoy a bigger screen, we even have another function. If I push my green button, here we go, I can change the view. So now I have my broadcast almost on full screen, and the tweets are just appearing below. So this is what social networking means, and this is probably going to change the way we're watching TV. Now there's also another way. Another thing I wanted to show you is we installed a game, so you probably want to know how this works and how good it is. And here what I have a setup with 4 different TVs, and those TVs are just connected to the internet. So to access my game, the same way, so I will open my IPTV portal Viera Connect. I see my game icon here on top, so we select the game, and the game has been downloaded on my SD card previously. And what happens, the TV will connect to a remote server. So it's loading the game, and then what I will start to do is try to play with different people, because that is the new concept. So press start to continue. Okay, I will go quickly multiplayer game. And then I've entered my password, I'm logging in, okay, so logging into the server, and that's logging into the Panasonic server, okay. And then I will choose online race. Online race, why? Because I want to play with somebody else. So I want to join the game, and here I can see there's a session that has started, which is called Panasonic IFA. So I would say join. Here we go, I'm ready. And now we will retrieve data from the server, and we try to build the architecture so that several people can play together. So it's now loading. Okay, join game. Right? And then normally the people can start the race. Here we go. Okay, you probably have to go back to menu. Yeah? So this is for networking and for gaming. The possibility that this offers is to play together the same game at different places in the world. So what Viera Connect will offer and Smart TV will offer in the future is network gaming, like that one, but also social networking, and also the possibility to buy things in shops. So there's a revolution that started with Smart Viera, and I think this is just the beginning. Thank you for your attention.